Hi, today we're going to be talking about how Ecocyc can be used to determine an unknown treatment used on Escherichia coli. So, E. coli was treated with an unknown. To elucidate the type of treatment, the sample was analysed using mass spectrometry. The resulting data was then subjected to bioinformatic analysis to establish how the bacteria responded to the treatment. Bioinformatic tools such as Peak Studio, Scaffold, LFQ Analyst, String, UniProt, and Panther observed a range of up and down regulated proteins. But for a more in-depth analysis, the up and down regulated proteins were then overlaid onto the known biological pathways of E. coli using freely available software. For this, we used Ecocyc, a bioinformatic database about the genome and metabolism of E. coli. The software allows users to thoroughly investigate and visualize proteins of interest and the biological pathways that they're involved in. So what's so good about this software? Well, Ecocyc can be freely accessed through their online website, it's very easy and convenient to use, the evidence-based output is reliable, and it's used by professionals in the field. So how does the software infer biology? Well, Ecocyc does this by comparing data from experimental literature, as well as from other bioinformatic databases such as UniProt, Gene Ontology, GenBank, RefSeq, and Metacyc. Now, are the statistics reliable? Well, yes, they are reliable as they incorporate data from well-known reference banks. The information is backed by evidence from experimental literature, which is continually updated by its curators, making it highly reliable. So using Ecocyc is simple. After obtaining the experimental data distinguishing the up and down regulated proteins, we can just copy and paste the gene names into a text box and highlight those proteins. And this allows us to really visualize the pathways that they're involved in. The red objects are up-regulated proteins, and the purple ones are the down-regulated proteins. The interface is really handy. We can zoom into each one of the pathways and get a closer look at what's going on. So, if we zoom into the red, we can see that the up-regulated proteins are involved in processes such as cell structure biosynthesis, carboxylate degradation, and carbohydrate biosynthesis, all indicating that protein synthesis has increased. If we look at the purple ones, we can see that they are primarily involved in processes involving signal transduction pathways, bacterial chemotaxis, amino acid synthesis, and degradation. These are all characteristic of a cell trying to conserve energy due to stressful conditions. So, what can we conclude? Based on the pathway analysis and the proteins which have been up and down regulated, we can speculate that the sample was most likely subjected to a treatment involving temperature change, such as heating. Thanks for watching.